Hi kids, it's Mrs. Skinner. I'm here to do the reading lesson with you for Monday, April 20th. So find the Monday part of your reading packet or your learning packet, and it's the reading section. There's little rabbit stuff in it. Okay, so before we start actually reading the little poem and everything, we're going to practice making our words. Remember when we were in school and we were making sounds into words and using our fingers? We're going to do some of that for practice. So I'm going to say a word and you're going to say each sound and make your word, okay? The first word is cat. Okay, if you said k-a-t, cat, you were right. Good job. We're going to do another little word before we move on to some bigger words. The next word is sit. If you said s-it, sit, good job. That's right. Okay, we're going to do a long word. Rabbit. Rabbit. Okay, if you said r-a-b-it, rabbit, good job. You're right. Okay, the next one's a little bit tricky. It's zebra. Okay, if you said z-e-b-r-a, zebra, you're right, but there's a little bit faster way to say it. Zebra. Z-e-br. You can say the B and R together. Z-e-br with the at the end. Z-e-br-a. Zebra. Because B and R together says bruh. Z-e-br-a. Zebra. It's kind of a hard one. Hard for Mrs. Skinner even. Okay, Clover. Clover. Okay, if you said k-o-o-v-er, clover, you're right. The k and o sounds can be put together as a blend. With my class, we haven't done a lot with the blends yet. That's why we're reviewing this first. We're going to learn more about the blends. The b and o can be put together to say bl. Or, I mean the C and the L. Cl. Cl-o-v-er. Cl-o-v-er. There's a vowel sound with the Cl-o-v-er. Clover. Okay? The next one's a little bit easier. Flash. Okay. This one has another blend at the beginning. It's a f-o-a-sh blend at the end too. So the f and o together say fl. Fl. Fl-a-sh. Flash. The sh sound is made with an S and a H together. Fl-a-sh. Okay? I'm going to show you that on here. Let me get my marker. This is the word flash. Fl. The F and L say fl. Fl. A. We know that A says A. Sh. S and H together say sh. Flash. Okay. Let me write Clover too, because that was a hard one for us. Cl. C. L. Cl. O. V. It's an E and an R. So a couple of hard words that you sounded out. Good job. So I'm going to erase with my little sock. I have a tie-dyed sock I'm using for an eraser. An old sock makes a good eraser. Okay, so now, since our theme this week is rabbits, I'm going to read a little poem to you. And if we were in the room, it would be hanging on the wall and it'd look like this. Okay, it's called Little Bunny Foo-Foo. Little bunny foo-foo hopping through the forest. And this is how he'll hop, or she. Little bunny foo-foo hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. And down came the blue fairy. This can be our blue fairy because this was hanging in our room too, remember it? Our little mermaid. So this will be the blue fairy. Down came the blue fairy and she said, Little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. And now I'll give you 2 chances. And if you do that again, I'll turn you into a goon. Okay. Little bunny foo-foo hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. And down came the blue fairy and she said, Little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. And now I'll give you 1 more chance. And if you keep it up, I'll turn you into a goon. Let's see if Little Bunny Foo-Foo listens. Little Bunny Foo-Foo hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. And what do you think happened? Down came the blue fairy and she said, Little Bunny Foo-Foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. You disobeyed me 3 times. So now, poof, you're a goon. So, in our song, we have to go from being a rabbit to a goon. So make a goon face, because we're all turned into goons now. We're goons. The blue fairy can go back up there. We can practice this song again later in the week. That's called Little Bunny Foo-Foo. Okay, this week, learning about rabbits, we're gonna explore some non-fiction texts as well as a fiction text. Now, see if you can remember what non-fiction means. Think about it for a minute. Non-fiction. If you said that non-fiction means not fake, or real, you're right. That's what non-fiction is. Non-fiction is facts. So we're going to learn some facts, real information about rabbits. And then we'll also read or listen to a fiction story. So think about what fiction is for a minute. If you said that fiction is fake, you're right. Fiction is made up. So, Little Bunny Foo-Foo and the Blue Fairy, think about it. Do you think that's nonfiction or fiction? Think about it a minute. And we'll talk about that later in the week. Okay. So, questions for the week. How can asking additional questions help our understanding? So maybe a nonfiction book will answer a lot of questions you already have, but it also might make you think of more questions. So as we learn and read, if you have more questions about rabbits, it's good to ask. And our next question will be, how can we describe a rabbit? And we're going to practice that. All right. Now for today's assignment, this is Monday, you have this. It is a little booklet, and we've done these a lot. You know that there are dotted lines, so you will be cutting on the dotted line only, and then the 2 dotted lines right here and right here to make a booklet. Let's read it first for practice. I'll move it a little bit closer. We've got the title, My Little Rabbit by Tara West, and there's a cute picture of a little rabbit. And then we're going to go right over here. My little rabbit needs water. If you're following along at home reading this, that's wonderful. There's a lot of sight words in here. My little rabbit needs water. Down here. My little rabbit needs pellets. We're going to learn what pellets are. My little rabbit needs love. Okay, so after you have read it for practice at home, you're gonna cut and then put them together in order. This is the top page, the cover, then the water page, then the pellets page, and the love page is last. And maybe mom or dad or somebody can help you staple it together. And that's your booklet. Okay? So that's our little rabbit lesson for today. Hope you guys are doing well, and I hope to see you soon sometime. But I'll be giving you lessons in reading, math, and then our writing and phonics we'll do together. So, all right, see you guys.